When some people hear the word evolution, they might freak out and try to argue with you that evolution is not real, but that's an argument for next time. More reasonable people may say that it is a process that takes over a millennium to occur. While they are half right, and evolution can take many, many years, well, actually generations to occur, let us tell you something, and that's not the case, and that evolution can occur in our short lifespans. Not to mention that mechanisms of evolution like genetic drift can change allele frequencies in a population rapidly in a short time and can cause the population to evolve. Let's see an example of it real quick.
All right, let's imagine we have two hypothetical populations, population A and population B. Initially, they both have a allele frequency of 50% circle and 50% star. Now imagine randomly there's some sort of event, there's a storm, and a tornado comes through. This is completely random. Alleles are not going to be eliminated based on their fitness, based on mating, anything like that. So here's our tornado. All right, more random. Put a hat on, cover your eyes, something. Now just take a swipe. There you go, perfect. Population B. Come take a swipe at population B as well. All right, perfect. Now we're going to recalculate the new allele frequencies. So, after a random event, after the tornado came through, you can see the allele frequencies changed here. They only changed about 9% in each direction, which doesn't seem that drastic. But over here, they changed it by a huge margin. And this is very explainable. There's a concept evolutionary biologists like to call genetic drift, and it affects smaller populations more than it affects larger populations.
Genetic drift is a random change in allele frequencies due to chance events. As seen in the example, a tornado eliminating individuals in a population drastically changed allele frequencies in the small population, but only slightly in the large population. Genetic drift decreases genetic variation and leads to elimination or fixation of alleles regardless of benefit or hindrance to the individual when selective pressures are weak. A real-world example of genetic drift acting on a population is the hunting of buffalo by the early Americans. The extreme decrease in population caused a rapid reduction in genetic variation, similar to that seen in this video's example. Overall, although genetic drift has played a large role in shaping the species we see today, it is only one of 5 forces that actively impact evolution. Only when we consider the implications each force may have on a population can we truly start to understand how life is evolving all around us.